Lycoris squamigera, commonly known as the resurrection lily or magic lily. Sometimes it's referred to as a mystery lily or sesame lily. Some people call it an upstart. Lycoris is from the family Amaryllis and it originates from Japan. It's hard here in the United States. The plant is hard and can perennialize from zone 5 through 9. Beginning of spring, the bulbs underneath will shoot out leaves. This is how the Lycoris starts. It looks like a regular amaryllis. The leaves will grow in height and width throughout the spring, all this time accruing energy ready for the bloom which will appear in summer. Oftentimes, Lycoris squamigera has been mistaken with Amaryllis belladonna on the right. Amaryllis belladonna's common name is naked ladies, and it's not hard in most areas in the United States because it's a subtropical plant. Meanwhile, Lycoris is actually a temperate plant. So midsummer, after the foliage is done, as you can see, the ground was empty and then it starts shooting out these stalks. The flower stalks will be naked. That's why the actual sister cousin of it, the Amaryllis belladonna, is called the naked ladies, and sometimes we mistaken the Lycoris squamigera as naked ladies, and that's the reason, because there is no foliage there. The stalk just emerges from the ground going up, so it starts out like that, very small, coming up first, and then throughout the growing season the stalks keep developing. It can shoot out a stalk which can be from 18 to 45 inches, and as it grows up there it can have a range of those flowers, sometimes 4 to 8 of them, but usually it's totally like no leaves whatsoever. It's just a flower stalk, and then the blooms will open up to these nice beautiful pinky rosy trumpet looking flowers. Plant your Lycoris in full sun, even though they can take a little part shade. For better results, if they are in full sun, they will absorb more energy and your blooms will be even better. And for designing purposes, you want to plant them inside some plants which will have foliage during summer. This way, like here, they're planted in hasters. This way the hasters will cover that area when the naked ladies are going dormant, or rather die back, but then you still have some foliage there. And then later during the season, when the Lycoris comes up, they bloom and it looks almost like hasters are blooming there, but you still have color. So that's just an aspect of designing with them. You can plant them en masse in border and just in planting beds. You can also plant them in pots for displays. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.